Now, we come to the part where I show you how soft and delicious they are. Make you crave them, and you immediately have to go and make them. But they really are wonderful. We heat 200 milliliters of milk and pour it into a smaller bowl. In the bowl, crumble 30 grams of fresh or 8 grams of dry yeast. And add 1 tablespoon of sugar. And 1 flat tablespoon of flour. Stir and leave them to mingle for about 10 minutes to activate the yeast. Place 200 grams of margarine or butter in the freezer. Then measure out 800 grams of soft flour, put it in a bowl, add 1 full tablespoon of salt and mix everything. Add the activated yeast to the flour. Then pour in 300 milliliters of lukewarm water and 50 milliliters of oil. Now mix all of this together. When the dough is almost kneaded, pour a bit of oil over it. There's no need to knead the dough for a long time, just a few minutes. To combine the ingredients, later we'll net it a bit more on the table, pat it a little on top and cover it with a bag. Place a cloth over the bag and leave it to rest for 30 to 60 minutes. On the work surface, knead it gently. Sprinkle flour on the table and on the dough, then roll it out into a rectangle. After rolling out the dough into a rectangle, take the frozen butter and grate it. Grate it onto half of the dough, then fold the other half over it. Press everything down with your hand. Once folded, cut it in half. For the second part, sprinkle flour on the table, then roll out the dough. After rolling out the dough, pour on a mixture of tomato and ketchup or whatever you like. You can add anything you prefer. Grate pizza ham, or any ham you have, over the top. You can add some hard cheese as well. Then season everything with oregano. Now we just need to roll it up. Turn it to the side where it closes. Place that side down and shape it further with your hand. Cut into slices about 1.5 centimeters thick. Line a baking tray with parchment paper and shape each into a circle, leaving a bit of space between them. Press each roll down a bit with your hand. After doing this, leave them to rise while we roll out the other dough. I'll change the filling for this dough. I'll make it with feta cheese. Add an egg white, keeping the yolk for brushing. You can also use cottage cheese but add salt to it. We'll now mash and mix everything. If the mixture is too firm, feel free to add a spoon or 2 of sour cream. When spreading the feta, don't make it too smooth. It's easier with some small chunks. Mix the yolk with milk and brush each mini pastry. Then grate some cheese over each mini pizza. Heat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and bake the tray we prepared first. The mini pastries are baked. The first batch is done, and while the second batch bakes, I'll show you how soft these pastries are. Look, they are truly soft and beautiful. Take a look, wonderful.